time to shed some light on a better way to power your home. And joining us once again is Wyatt Everhart, advisor with Solar Energy World. Always great to see you, Wyatt.
Roxanne, great to be back with you here on the show.
Absolutely. So let's just jump right in, because a lot of people may think about the benefits of switching to solar, but may have concerns about the long-term savings and service on the system.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, a lot of people say solar sounds great, but what about over the long haul? Does the savings continue? How about service on the system? Well, who better to talk to than one of our installed clients, Erik Shumaker. You know, he's had our system leased from Solar Energy World for more than 7 years on his roof. Let's see what he has to say about not just the savings, but the service on the system over the years.
Yep, so we moved in 1998, and we've had solar for about 7 years now. We love it. My wife and I were thinking about it for many years, and that was one of her dreams, to always have a solar panels on the roofs. Yeah, the system's been great. It had a little bit of an issue early on. We had a modem or something turned off, but we were able to get that fixed.
How did that go as far as getting service on the system with Solar Energy World?
Yeah, Solar Energy World, they contacted us and scheduled it and got out here, and they fixed the inverter right away. And yeah, it was back up and running, and service has been really good. Their app is really easy to use, so you can track all your statistics, and yeah, it's really nice.
Wow, you can really tell that Erik there loves his system. So if viewers want to go solar as well, what's the best way for them to do that?
Get in touch with us anytime, 877-SOLAR-TV or SolarEnergyWorld.com. We're telling everyone, look, go solar now in 2025 and start saving in the new year in 2026.
Love the savings. Thank you so much, Wyatt.
All right, thank you.